That is what the socials are buzzing about. Some monster party going on beneath the Amazon.
Huh?
But what is the truth? Teeth like razors. One smile and boom, every dentist in the Amazon quits. Not always savage. Most of the time, they are just chillin', like, do not poke me, and I will not poke you. Part-time vegetarians, sure, they eat meat, but they also snack on seeds and fruits, basically salad with a side of steak. Overrated horror stars, that skeleton in Second scene? Hollywood nonsense. In real life, they are way more polite. Ring a bell? Yup, you guessed it. The piranha.
Let us get formal. My full name is Picocentris natareri, but you can call me Red. Why? Because of my stylish red belly, thank you very much. I live in the warm, murky waters of the Amazon River basin, along with my hundreds, yes, hundreds of cousins. We are freshwater fish measuring about 30 centimeters long. That is 1.5 bananas if you measure things in bananas. And yes, we have got teeth, razor-sharp, interlocking, bone-crunching teeth. I floss with river weed, very important. But do we constantly crave flesh like underwater zombies? No. Calm down, Carl. Piranhas are actually omnivores. That means we eat both plants and animals. Sure, sometimes we nibble on other fish, insects, or even the occasional unlucky frog. But we also munch algae, fruits, and seeds that fall into the river. We are more like river janitors than savage beasts. See a dead animal floating in the water? We will help clean it up. It's a public service, really, not murder. Most of the time, we keep to ourselves, chilling in schools, not the reading math kind, the swimming in sink kind, because there is safety in numbers. Not for hunting, but for not getting hunted. Yes, even piranhas have predators. River dolphins, caimans, bigger fish. And let us not forget humans with fishing nets and weird documentaries. Yes, we can go a little wild when food is scarce. Like during the dry season, when the water level drops and things get tense. Imagine being stuck in a room with 30 hangry roommates and 1 pizza. Things will get messy. But in normal times, we are more like polite buffet grazers. We do not just leap out of the water and attack boats like some kind of fishy action movie. Looking at you, Hollywood. Fun fact, those crazy feeding frenzies are usually caused by panic, not hunger. If something splashes and we think it is food or danger, we respond fast, really fast. It is our nature, fight or flight with a little bite. Our teeth are not just sharp, they are perfectly engineered. Triangular, serrated, and built for slicing. When we lose one, a new one grows in like it is no big deal. And not just one at a time, we shed entire sets, like we're changing outfits. Nature's version of a dental plan. Oh, and did I mention the jaw strength? Our bite force, pound for pound, is one of the strongest in the fish kingdom. If I were your size, I could probably crack a coconut. Not that I would, I prefer mangoes. I know, you expected bold, bloodthirsty hunters, but truth is, we get spooked pretty easily. Splashing water, we dart away. Shadows, we scatter. Unexpected visitors, we are gone before you say snorkel. Unless we are protecting our eggs. Yeah, during breeding season, the chill attitude goes out the window. You mess with our nests and we will snap at you. But would not you do the same for your future fish babies? Speaking of which, yes, we lay eggs. Thousands at a time. Dad usually guards the nest, swimming around like a scaly security guard. I salute the fish fathers out there. So, why the scary stories? Blame it on Teddy Roosevelt. Yeah, that Roosevelt. Back in 1913, he watched a staged piranha feeding frenzy in Brazil. A bunch of starved piranhas were thrown some meat, and unsurprisingly, they tore it up. He went home and wrote all about our relentless fury, and the legend stuck. Thanks a lot, Teddy. Ever since then, we have been cast as the villains of every river scene. Meanwhile, we are just down here swimming around, chewing on river lettuce, and vibing. You know what is actually threatening the Amazon? Pollution, deforestation, climate change. We are just trying to survive out here. Our habitats are shrinking, water temperatures are rising, and the balance of river life is going haywire. But nobody makes scary movies about plastic bottles, do they? People love a good monster story. Fangs, frenzy, a flash of red in the water, it makes for thrilling TV. But let us be honest, that version of me? It is about as accurate as calling a hamster a serial killer because it chewed your charger cable. Yes, I have got teeth. Yes, I sometimes snack on meat, but I also eat fruit, nuts, and I have never once tried to devour a tourist in flip-flops. I have social circles, group chats, in a manner of speaking, and anxiety about loud splashes. I am not a villain. I am a fish with complex feelings, solid boundaries, and a strong preference for personal space. So, if you ever find yourself near a South American river and the water ripples mysteriously, do not panic. Maybe it is me. Maybe I am just passing by. Maybe I am admiring your waterproof camera. Or maybe, just maybe, I am thinking about papaya. Either way, you will be fine. I have got better things to do, like avoiding eye contact with capybaras and planning my next dramatic entrance in a David Attenborough documentary. Stay splashy.